Hey, this is older generation Danfoss TP5001 room thermostat, and I will show you some basic functionalities you should know to operate this thermostat. Okay, what we see here, I see here it is my target, it is my set temperature, and 22 shows 22 degrees, it is my room temperature. I can adjust my temperature here, but as you see, the thermostat shows it is Tuesday right now, so it means it has some kind of schedule inside, and this my set temperature will only maintain till the next timing, till the next period. Then the period will change, my set temperature will change. So some people do not understand this and get annoyed because temperature simply switches to another one. So I will show you just in a minute how to change this temperature. Here, if I would push those two buttons, my thermostat would go into a frost mode, and here there is no timing. Thermostat only regulates the temperature you set. So simply, if you just temporarily don't want the schedule to have some temperature changes, you just may set, for example, 22 degrees and for kind of some period. Okay, so I'm returning to the normal mode and opening this lid. I see some more buttons here. So if I would push this program button, I would jump into programming mode, my schedule programming mode, so I can program from Monday till Friday. I have like 640. I have 20.5 degrees now set temperature. So let's say in the morning I have 20. Then I jump to another timing with pushing program. At 9 it goes to 15 degree setting. 9, for example, is not okay for me. I want 9:30, and by this I change, let's say, to 16 degrees. So I can do this with every period. Then I go to weekend, and for weekend I also can have those timings. Everything is same, so I just set it according to my needs. Okay, if I push minus and plus at once, I will jump into clock mode. So I will see here now clock, and I see my target, my set temperature, but I do not see a real temperature. So probably this real temperature is more important for me. I can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, minus and arrow down. So this one is in Fahrenheit, and I like Celsius better. Clock mode from 12 o'clock to 24 o'clock. Now it is 24 o'clock mode, and I can change it by pushing arrow up and plus to 12 o'clock mode. And for user advanced programming mode, you need to push program and arrow down at once and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, so this option enables A and B programming, so I can jump with plus and minus between options, and here I can jump between settings. So I just leave my factory setting, jump to another one, and it is option 3. It is calendar clock rules. Option 4, it is time zone offset. Option 10, it is frost and thermostat mode setting. Option 11, it is startup method. To come back, you just need to push and hold this program button, and my thermostat now is ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you.